If you're new to the project, a big warm welcome. If you're a tough old root, then welcome back. Here on Steep in the Woods, we are building a 2-story tower house out of used pallets. And in today's video, we're putting pallet board flooring on the 2nd level. So the whole thing begins with around 120 3.5-inch wide pallet boards, and it's just a matter of climbing up and down the pallet wall repeatedly until we get enough of a platform created to where we can actually, stand on it and use it and do all of that measuring and cutting on the 2nd level itself. So the first thing that I did was take all of our pallet boards and group them into groups of their width. They all look to be exactly the same size, but they're not. They're all slightly different. So we paired them up with like-sized boards. That way we can reduce the amount of gaps in this floor as much as possible. There's no real tips or tricks to it other than grouping your pallet boards by thickness. They're all going to be slightly different. Also, line your eye down the edge and try to find ones that are as straight as possible. The name of the game here is to have as small of gaps as humanly possible. However, you got to accept the fact, you got to get yourself in that mental place of it's not going to be perfect because you're dealing with an imperfect material. But one of the real tricks, the only real trick, is get yourself a C-clamp and a crowbar, and if one of them's kind of swirly, just force him into position, make him do what you want him to, and whilst holding it, nail it down. Now, if you are curious on how we made the joists that are under this 2nd level floor, you can click here and check out that video. I'm going to take a quick second to tell you guys about the Steep in the Woods website, where we not only sell spring development kits, we also sell just the dams if you would like to make your PVC fittings yourself. We also sell sediment filter buckets that can be used with the spring kits or any other natural water source, as well as worm compost bins. Worm compost bins that are not only food grade but come with worms already. You get the whole deal. We also sell tabletop water filters for drinking water. If you're interested in any of those, click here and check them out. And there you have it. That's how we did our pallet flooring on the second level of the Pallet Tower here on Steep in the Woods. Always remember, if you like what you saw, hit that button. If you're new to the project, hit that other button. Help support the project, there are links below. If you want a private consultation or you have a question you want a dedicated video on, email us directly. And until next time, Steep in the Woods.